Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use secret code feature on Snapchat. So as you can see, once I click on my app I just get through the app without any codes or anything else. So if you want to use that feature to type or to scan a QR code or to type a secret code to get the access to Snapchat, you just need to go into your Play Store, and then you just need to go and type Snap codes or Snapchat or Snapchat. I mean, alright, it's locker for Snapchat. Alright, and then go through that. This app will look your access to the chat option. So you need to enter the code to get through it, and also this app locker is a good app for I'm not sponsoring, by the way. It's a good app for to set up a code to get through your Snapchat, not only the chat option. And that's it, guys. That's how to use secret code feature on Snapchat. Anyways, guys, once you install that two apps, you will set up a code, and you will choose the Snapchat app for both of them. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.